Hello, I'm Paul from Motorbiking and welcome to this video of this beautiful BMW R1250 GS Adventure factory low. Well, this is a machine that was owned by a good friend of ours. We purchased it off him a few years back. It was then sold to the next owner. It has covered 13,457 miles on a 70 plate registered 2020. As you can see, it is fully loaded with the BMW Adventure luggage, and there's a few other extras including the BMW GPS sat nav. You've got some handguard extenders. There's a mud deflector on that center stand, as well as a fender extender up front. And it has been maintained very, very well. It's BMW service history in the first 3 years, followed by a local renowned independent BMW specialist. That's 2 services by himself, 5 in total, and the major service has been done. That was done in June this year, so it is all up together. It's done about 1,500 miles since that service, so yes, all good to go. Michelin Pilot Road 6 tyres on there. Front looks pretty good to me. Condition on the front is very, very clean too. You can see that front engine cover, quite a exposed area, which are well, they do corrode quite badly if not looked after, and this one clearly has. Engine bars all unmarked. The side rocker cover too. By the way, as you see, this bike in this video and the photos is just as it arrived to us. We have not put a cloth over it. You might see some road grime, but obviously more importantly, no corrosion and no damage to report. That fuel tank, all lovely and clean. So is the handguard, no scrapes or any nasty marks. The pannier, again, very, very tidy for a painted alloy pannier. And then to the rear end, again, that wheel hub, no pickling or bubbling, blistering of the paint, quite common on these models if they're used all year round. On the original exhaust silencer, no marks or any scratches that I can see there. We move round. As I said, Michelin Pilot Road 6 tyres. Rear is in good order by the looks of things. Final drive housing, all lovely. Again, no blistering or pickling of the paint. Another common issue on these. Nice and tidy in that rear shock area. That nice bright white spring, still retaining the factory finish, and the pannier on this side, all very good too. So the left side of that engine, again, super clean, no marks or any scrapes to those crash bars, all that rocker cover. So a closer look there. Of course, this is the TE model, so it's all singing, all dancing, quick shift, ESA, riding modes. It's top spec of its time. Lovely gold wheels, unusual colour scheme. You don't see many of these, which is always nice to be different. And that sort of light grey colour with the sort of aluminium finish to that tank, which looks very, very smart. So going over the top of the bike, no rips or tears to those seats, all in very good order. Top of the fuel tank, no marks or any scratches in this area. Keyless ignition, as well as entry to the fuel tank. Controls, all in good order, no wear and tear here. Cockpit's all nice and clean, and so is this right-hand control. I didn't mention earlier, this has got the Wonderlic up and back bar risers, so another nice feature. And as I said earlier, it is the factory low model. Right, let's listen to it running. And there you go. Well, if that's of interest, do let us know. The telephone number is 01202 479 125. You can email me, paul@motorbiking.co.uk. If you've got a part exchange, do let us know. We'll certainly consider it. We also offer finance. Please visit our website for finance calculators. However, you're welcome to give us a call and discuss your options. I hope this video has helped, and thank you for watching.